Alright, here we have some bridge comb, and it just bridges one frame to the other frame. You'll typically see this from one frame to the side of one of the hive box walls. Here we have some excess wax, and this is brace wax, which is on the top of the frame, and it braces this frame with the frame above it, so nothing's going to wiggle around. But we don't like that as beekeepers, so we're going to take that, and that's going to go into our wax jar, which will eventually get melted down and processed into pure beeswax that we'll use for lotions or candles, etc. In these cells, you can see there is nectar. And this is great because now we know that the bees have the makings of honey, which is what they're going to need for overwintering and also to feed their brood. Here we have capped honey, and then if we move up just a little bit, you'll see capped brood. You'll notice this is a lot darker and it's slightly raised, where the honey is either flat or slightly sunken in a bit.